Okay. Got it? Alright, alright. 1200. We are in ALT mode. Okay. We're at 6070, the engine gates are almost in the green.
Yep, still waiting for that to come up a little bit. It'll give us a chance for our GPS to turn on.
Okay.
Alright, there's Burbank Tower. I'll go ahead and put in some ATIS for you.
Cool.
Hello Tower, Southwest 2402, visual for 8.
South 24 is 50 feet. Read Michael runway, hold short.
So with the GPS, I push OK. This big knob changes the folder. The folder is represented by the nav, waypoint, aux, nearest. So you can change to that nearest, and that'll get us the Santa Monica when we get around to it. For, you know, if we want to fly direct to, and then it'll show us airspace happening. So page 2. Alright, so we look nice and warm, so we can go ahead and continue.
Okay, mag check.
Alright, roll up to 75%.
Okay, check the right.
Okay. 1,000, 1,000. Good.
One 1,000, 2,000. Okay.
Good.
Looks good. All right. Clutch check.
Now the needle split, roll it up a little bit, followed by rolling it off. These blades are heavier, they don't move as fast. There's a tiny split.
Got it. Okay. Doors are closed and latched.
Yep.
Okay. Temperature 20.
We're gonna go ahead and just reduce it. It doesn't like to run at these little RPMs.
Okay, so we're 23, so about 22.9 plus what ATIS says.
Uh-huh.
530. Wind 220 at 7. Visibility 10. 6.
If you just open up your windows, fine. Just get a little airflow in here. Alright, so that's good, that's good, that's good. That was good. Alright, so ATIS.
Runway 8, approach in use. Arriving and departing runway 8 and runway 15. Land and hold short operations in effect for non-turbojet aircraft landing runway 15. Available landing distance 4,250 feet. Read Michael runway hold short instructions. Notices to airmen. Taxiway Bravo closed north of Bravo 3. Taxiway Delta closed west of Delta 8. Clearance delivery and ground control combined on 123.9er. CPDLC. Service available. Advise on initial contact. You have information Foxtrot.
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 Burbank Airport ATIS information Foxtrot. 21530. Wind 220 at 7. Visibility 10. 6,500 scattered. Ceiling 8,000 overcast. Temperature 17. 2.9.
Okay, so 17, so we have 22.7, 22.8.
Approach in use. Arriving and departing runway 8 and runway 15.
Okay.
Land and hold short
So,
operations in effect
I'm
for
gonna double check. Max continuous power, so this is just our max continuous, so at 17 is, let's see, 22.8. So minus 22.8, so 20, 24. Yeah. Okay. No, actually the other way, so just 20 is our max for, let's see, for max takeoff. Okay, add 24 point, whatever it is.
Yeah. Good. Okay.
Advise on initial contact.
All of the Hollywood Bow Southwest,
Okay.
northeastbound.
So we got ATIS. Good, we'll take our friction off.
All right, friction's coming off.
You gonna clear to the south?
Negative, we're gonna actually head towards...
Okay, we'll do the hydraulic test.
All right.
4 Bravo Foxtrot, roger, radar service terminate. You can keep the code, you can contact Santa Monica Tower.
And collective.
We'll keep the code. Contact Santa Monica, 4 Bravo Foxtrot, thank you.
Lift up just a little bit. Just enough to make a little noise. Back down. Then you turn hydraulics off. Or aft and up. Just enough to feel the hydraulics.
Okay.
And then up on the collective. Yep, super heavy hydraulics back on.
Cool.
Okay.
Hydraulic system's good. We'll warm up. I can put this sheet away.
Yep.
905, please stand.
Burbank Tower, helicopter 893, Papa Griffin
Okay.
Park. We're like a tragedy.
We'll warm it up.
Back to the nose, and I have the fixed wing.
Oh, we're definitely already warmed up, so go ahead and roll up.
Helicopter 893, Papa Burbank Tower, squawk 0265, altimeter 29905.
995, squawking 0265, 892, Papa.
Surface 21, Burbank Tower.
All right, that's good.
Okay.
So just take the lift
lift
up, roll down.
Cool. Okay.
All right, watching it. It's settling back where it wants to.
Okay.
Today we are 3070 uniform.
Affirmative, 92, Papa.
Burbank Tower, helicopter 3070 uniform at Atlantic would like a 180 departure towards downtown LA. Information Foxtrot.
Helicopter 3070, uniform Burbank Tower, taxiway Delta, be my Atlanta ramp hold position.
Say again please for 3070 uniform.
Helicopter 3070, uniform Burbank Tower, taxiway Delta, beam the Atlantic ramp hold position.
Got it.
All right, Delta on hold position on Delta 3070 uniform. All right, go ahead and pick up.
Okay.
Police 10, friction change of Van Nuys.
Police 10, radar service terminate, contact Van Nuys Tower, we'll see you.
Police 10, thanks for the help.
So this is going to pick up different than the 22.
Right.
Uniform, runway kitchen, taxiway Delta, cleared for takeoff, cross runway 8.
All right, cleared for takeoff, cleared to cross runway 8, 3070 uniform. All right, bring it a little slower, bring your tail around, bring it just a little slower. Good.
What check?
Wind 220 at Niner.
All right, we're cleared to take off, so go ahead and blast. That away, a little forward.
Some uniform traffic, 2 mile final runway 8. Okay, there you go. South 3806, taxi to Park, remain its frequency, we'll see you.
Okay, over to ground, South 30 to 6. Alpha 1 is current occupied, just want to hold short.
I just line up on the cellar yellow line and advise on what gate.
Alpha 1, and he should be pushing back momentarily.
Roger.
All right, good. So keep on going straight. Climb up at 2000.
Okay.
South 3595, Burbank Tower, runway 15, line up away, traffic landing runway 8.
Yeah, level 815, Southwest 35, 95.
Helicopter sends uniform radar contact, squawk 0216.
0216.
Burbank Tower, air shuttle, pitch 621, just inside of Buddy on the Glasgow.
Shuttle 5621, Burbank Tower. And traffic holding position, runway 15, runway 8, clear to land.
Clear to land on runway 8, air shuttle, pitch 621.
Surface 21, turn left at taxiway Bravo, contact ground 123.9.
Alright, left to Bravo, contact ground, sir, 21.
South 3595, runway 15, cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff 15, Southwest 3595.
Gonna fly over my apartment in 2 seconds.
Cool. Burbank Tower 70 uniform, request a 30-degree left turn and climb at 2000.
7 uniform, continue present course for now, Boeing 737 traffic, departing runway 15, climbing southwestbound.
Roger, looking for traffic and maintain present 70 uniform.
You can continue climbing, I'll advise on course here momentarily.
Roger, thank you.
Burbank Tower, skids 5197, we're now visual 8.
Helicopter 93 Papa radar service, terminal contact Van Nuys Tower.
Clear Van Nuys, 90 Bravo.
Sky 5197 Burbank Tower, runway 8, clear land number 2, final, regional jet short final.
Clear land runway 8, skids 5197.
3595 radar contact, traffic at 11 o'clock and 2 miles southbound helicopter 2000.
Looking at Southwest 3595.
3595, the beacon code to 6707.
707 3595.
Helicopter 7 uniform, resume on navigation.
Resume on nav 70 uniform. Alright, left-hand turn, my friend.
Southwest 3595, traffic no factor, contact SoCal departure, we'll see you.
Roger, now 3595.
Helicopter 7 uniform, are you gonna clear to the south?
Yeah, we're gonna go to towards downtown, past the sign, and then out to Santa Monica, and we'll be back later. Alright, give me 10 degrees-ish to the left there.
5621, taxi to park, remain as frequency, good day.
Keep it bringing up to 2,000, pull just a little bit of power. Okay.
Helicopter 7 uniforms, traffic a mile southeast of, actually east of Mount Lee, 1,900.
I got traffic in sight, 70 uniform.
Helicopter 7 uniform, roger. Radar service terminate, you can squawk VFR and frequency change approved, we'll see you.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Thank you, 70 uniform. Okay, I'm gonna push VFR.
Now's a good time to take a picture if you want.
Yeah, just a little bit farther. Headed a little bit this way. It's kind of against right away, but just we won't hit anybody. Alright, there we go. Cool.
Neat little plane over there.
I didn't even get it.
I'd offer to take a picture, but I'm busy.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, go ahead and shoot off towards 123025 and start descending down to 14.
Okay. That's Griffith Observatory.
Yes.
Alright. Griffith Park traffic, helicopter 3070 uniform is fine from the sign to downtown.
4F Hotel Staples, making left turn around the city 1000.
Yep, so keep heading this direction.
Okay.
There we go.
Get a little bit more altitude.
Actually, yep, up to 14. There you
Yeah.
go. In this area and flying around downtown.
Sure, Soto, north 1.1.
No higher than 25, but keep it 1-4, we'll be just fine.
Unit station, we'll turn it back southeast 1.1.
Alright, so we're gonna have a lot of traffic around here.
Yep.
Sir Sheriff 29ers, it's your 12 o'clock, less than a mile northbound. Alright, I got you there, man. We're just going southeast. I'm passing in front of you. Roger.
Cool, so there's the stadium.
Right.
And this is downtown.
Yep.
Okay.
No game today, so we can fly. Usually there's a TFR here. So.
Yeah.
Nickel back.
See, there's a helicopter over there. Kind of come to the right just a bit.
Okay.
There you go. Roll out. That's good. Downtown traffic, helicopter 307 uniform is just north downtown. Gonna be wrapping around to the right and heading towards Santa Monica at 1,400. There you go. Kind of cut this way. And then we'll...
Air 6, Chatsworth Reservoir, southbound, 2000.
Sheriff.
Point from Mustone Canyon Reservoir, westbound, 2100.
Got the Disney concert hall to the right here.
Okay, sir. Making your way that way.
Okay. The turbulence.
Yeah, that's okay. Alright. I want nearest. Airport. There you go. So, just don't go any south of this this highway.
That's LA's territory.
Yeah, and we'll just follow it out. And then SMO is what I'm looking for on the nearest. Oh, there's probably gonna be there we go. Direct 2. Enter, enter.
Police 3, just east of the convention center, 700. I have the Robbie going westbound. I'm talking.
Yeah, we got you inside heading to Santa Monica 3070 uniform.
This is Roger, thanks. Air 6, Chatsworth Reservoir, 2000 below.
Okay. How far are we? Okay. Santa Monica Tower helicopter 3070 uniform is 8 miles to the east at 1,200. Request fly through transition to Marina Del Mar and then shoreline.
Helicopter 3070 uniform, Santa Monica Tower, transition approved, Santa Monica altimeter 2996. Use caution for parasailers offshore. And I don't have you on the radar quite yet, so enable traffic advisories. I'll advise when I get you.
Roger that, that's approved, and I can see those guys from here, and let me know when you get us. 3074, correction, 3070 uniform.
And Santa Monica Tower, Cherokee 777,
Okay,
runway
see the
21,
marina?
right turn
Yep,
to shoreline.
go ahead and start heading for the marina.
Papa Santa Monica Tower, right turn at the shoreline, approved, runway 21, cleared for takeoff, no delay, traffic, sport cruiser, turning a 1 mile final.
Okay, no delay, runway 21, cleared for takeoff, right turn to the shoreline.
Yeah, maintain 1,000.
Helicopter 70 uniform, I believe I have you now, Ident.
And all I need to do is ident. Yep. Ident, 70 uniform.
Helicopter 70 uniform, roger, no observed traffic.
Roger, 70 uniform. Cool, so this thing tells us our distance from Santa Monica.
Oh, cool.
Direction we're going. And
Santa
then,
Monica Tower, Cherokee 20
Super helpful.
over the support pass inbound to land with Charlie.
Cherokee 209 to Lima, Santa Monica Tower, and
that's
right
good.
base runway 21.
See, we're climbing.
Yep.
Just
Right
maintain
base
the
runway 21,
down.
921.
I don't see any tall towers.
Coming up on Culver City over here to the right.
Cool. Man, that's a lot of city.
It's a lot of city. Big place.
Yeah. Santa Monica Tower, 70 uniform from Marina Del Mar with the shoreline transition. I'd like to get out of here with a East Hill transition back to Burbank.
Helicopter 70 uniform, Roger. Just report you're on course, turn to Burbank.
Awesome, thank you, 70 uniform. Alright, so head to the marina. Once you get over there, you can go ahead and
11 X-ray, contact ground, or if you're going
descend
to
down to like 900 feet or maybe a little higher with the parasailers this time. But we'll make that call when we get over there.
Okay.
So once you hit the marina, turn so that way you don't overfly the water.
Right.
And then we'll fly up until we get about there, and then we'll head to back to Burbank.
Sounds perfect.
Oh, this is pretty. I like this.
This is someone making a lot of money.
Yeah, no joke.
Be right with you.
Cool. Little bit of left pedal there.
There's 2380 Romeo, Santa Monica Tower. Make left traffic, runway 21.
Came out today.
For 21, 2380 Romeo.
Yeah, me too.
Cherokee 902 Lima, runway 21, clear to land.
Santa Monica's over
Runway 21,
there.
clear to land, next one.
Yep, so head for that side of it, because their airspace is like at the corner of that, so we'll head about 10 degrees to your right and aim for that side of the marina.
Cherokee 80 Romeo, follow a Cherokee turning a 1.5 mile right safe.
And 80 Romeo looking for him, I'll be number 2, looking for him.
Just a little bit of left pedal there.
Okay.
Cool, man. See that red sailboat?
Yeah.
Start heading that direction.
Okay.
Yeah, the red with a white stripe through it. Make our ground track go that way.
And 8 Sierra Romeo, negative contact.
Or 8 Sierra Romeo, the Cherokee's passing off your left now, indicating 70 knots. And base turn approved at your discretion. Runway 21, number 2, clear to land.
Okay, number
So once you're over the marina, start a sweeping right-hand turn.
Okay.
And
Santa Monica Tower, Challenger 36 Victor,
They're kinda close
with you
to
on
the
the visual
shore.
for 21.
Challenger 36 Victor Victor, Santa Monica Tower. Runway 21, clear to land number 3 behind us, Cirrus, turning a 2-mile left base, indicating 120 knots.
21, clear to land, we'll be looking for the traffic, 36 Victor Victor.
cool, start a gradual right turn now.
Okay.
Perfect. Just the way Viscovich was saying to do it.
Sierra Romeo, keep the speed up. You're inside of a Challenger on a 7-mile final.
8 Sierra Romeo, welcome. Frequency change for Victor Pop.
That's definitely a cool place to fly.
Victor Papa.
Yeah, my buddy lives down here. I told him I was flying over today. Yeah, Sweet. Just fly me just left or right of the shore.
Yep, go right over the beach.
Cherokee 902 Lima, left turn off, contact ground point 9er.
Let's turn ground point 9.
Cool. And then the Getty Center. What's that?
Agreed up.
We're a little bit away from there.
366 Victor.
Basically, okay, you see that on top of the hill there's a big stone building?
Yes.
That's it.
Okay. I'll just keep on going for now.
Can we get S turns out here for Victor Victor?
Under 36 Victor, Victor, S turns are first.
Thanks, 36 Victor.
Oh, there's the runway. Sweet.
Yep. Go a little bit past and we'll turn eastbound at the incline right there. So start getting a little bit of altitude.
Yeah, okay. Definitely. And then Vescovich is saying he goes just a little bit farther.
Okay, we can keep. Got the Santa Monica Pier here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. A lot of people out today.
Yeah, wow. Like it's a Saturday or something.
I know.
I should go to the beach today.
Okay.
So probably that last big hotel.
6 Sierra Romeo, left or right turn off as soon as able, contact ground point 9er.
6 Sierra Romeo, welcome.
Start climbing here.
Okay.
That's a condo building.
Gotcha.
Yeah. These places are ridiculously expensive.
Oh, I believe it.
Santa Monica Tower, Cessna 73262, 2500 inbound from Van Nuys over the Palmetto Pass.
This is 73262, Santa Monica Tower, enter right base, runway 21.
Right base, runway 21. 262.
70 uniform, turning eastbound.
Look at the 70 uniform, roger.
Malibu. Malibu. Monica.
So basically where we, actually we could probably just pop over the hills and...
Well, if we pop over the hill, we're going to get into Van Nuys's radio territory. So.
Oh, yeah.
6 Victor, Victor, thanks for the help. Right turn off when able, contact ground point 9er.
I'm at closer to the sun.
Have a good Victor.
Right. This is Riviera Country Club.
Okay.
Wow.
If we maintain our present course, let's see.
If we continue eastbound, we'll go through Beverly Hills, West Hollywood, and then back through the Coinga Pass. We could do that.
Yeah, go through the Kalinga Pass again, and then we won't pop up into their airspace without talking to them.
Right.
That'll give us a chance to talk to them before we get into it. Cool?
Yep.
And then I will just set up, and they don't use approach here, we'll just contact tower.
Right.
Weird.
That's the Getty Center over there, Sergio.
1345. Oh, that's cool. 345. Or I guess I could have done it on there, it's already there. So I'll put tower back on here, 118. 7. Can't get it yet.
Information Fox 530. Wind 220 at 7.
This is Westwood and UCLA, right here.
Yeah.
UCLA Medical Center.
Veterans.
This is the Wilshire Corridor.
Turn us that direction. Oh wow.
That is the Veterans Cemetery.
Yes, it is. Wow, that's big.
Read Michael runway, hold short instruction.
Okay, so you see the red, green, and blue? That's the blue whale.
Oh.
That's our common radio call, so.
Gotcha.
Taxiway Delta closed west of Delta 8. Clearance delivery and ground control confined.
You got LA Country Club here. This is the most exclusive country club.
PPLC. Service available. Advise on contact. You have information Foxtrot.
Still Fox.
Yeah, till 53.
Yep.
So we got a couple more minutes.
That's fine. By the time we talk to him, we'll just update us.
Yep.
Come in with Fox.
That's the 262, runway 21, clear to land.
262, runway 21, clear
Just
to
a
land.
smidgen of left pedal there.
Okay. Got Beverly Hills to our right here.
Oh, wow, cool.
Rodeo Drive's right here with the palm trees.
Yeah. Okay, start bringing us up just a little bit. So once we get a freak change, we can, should be able to get Burbank. Oh, I don't want to go there. Go to nearest. Correct 2. Enter, activate. Cool. The blue whale, huh?
Yep.
Helicopter 70, uniform, frequency change approved.
Freak change approved. Thank you for your help. 70 uniform. Alright. 1187, as seeing as we're not getting it yet. Might not be able to hear him on this side of the hill.
We'll get him in a couple seconds.
Okay.
As soon as we, peek through here.
Yeah, that's fine. You can just keep it low. Well, actually, bottom here is 5,000, so you can come up and then starts at 3, so man, you could go up to 2,000, and we'll be able to get them. Six nautical miles to the southwest. Burbank Tower helicopter 3070 uniform, 6 nautical miles to the southwest. Information Foxtrot, request full stop to Atlantic.
Helicopter 3070 uniform, Burbank Tower, squawk 0271, altimeter 2995.
Yeah.
0271, 3070 uniform.
Helicopter 70 uniform, radar contact Hollywood Bowl, right traffic. Section right base runway 8, clear to land, and you can have a taxi to Atlantic via Delta 8 Delta this frequency.
Alright, right base runway 8, clear to land runway 8 at Delta 8, hover taxi Delta 8 to Atlantic. Thank you, this freak, 3070 uniform.
There you got the Hollywood Bowl there.
Tower Southwest 626 is ready to go, 15.
Alright, start heading, kind of following this highway, and start heading out that way to get us off the extended for 15.
Halfway 9, up runway 26.
12.9, contact.
Well, thanks for letting me do radios.
It's certainly much easier when someone else is on the radio.
Yeah. Come up just a little bit now. Now that we got him, we're gonna try and fly a little neighborly. We don't want to make anybody mad. But now that we've got radar contact, we can get right on in it.
Yep.
So then, of course, on the other side of this, and then you can come right back down.
Got Universal Studios here. See the new Harry Potter thing that everyone's hyping about?
Surprised that this isn't a TFR.
Nope. I don't think they could get away with that being so close to the
Burbank
airport.
Tower, helicopter 3254 Echo, 405 101, Port Coinga Pass.
They got their own landing pad right there.
3254 Echo, Burbank Tower, altimeter 2995, squawk 0264.
0264, 5 Echo.
So the big one, which one is this one?
This is the 101 freeway,
Okay.
and then it turns into the 170 headed northbound. So
Helicopter 7 uniform traffic departing runway 15 climbing southwestbound Boeing 737. Report inside when you get it.
All right, looking for that traffic when we see him. 70 uniform.
Helicopter 626, runway 15, clear for
Got
takeoff.
new call signs to
Takeoff, runway
memorize.
15, Southwest 626.
Yeah, perfect. So then just kind of hug this freeway out that way to a right base.
got it.
Confirm clear for takeoff for Southwest
Yeah, last
626.
time I was out here, she wanted me to, wanted me to
Clear
hug
for
it,
takeoff 15, Southwest 626.
which is,
Helicopter 70 uniform is traffic just north of the Old Maid Company, hovering there, section on station, police 10, 1100.
okay, unfamiliar with that place at this time, but we're just almost, got him in sight. We'll be turning right base soon at 70 uniform.
Helicopter 5 radar, contact 5 miles southwest, Burbank Airport, transition approved.
5 Echo.
Yep, so bring this down.
Traffic about half mile south of Old Maid Company on base runway 8, helicopter 1200. Police 10, you copy traffic? Police 10, Burbank Tower.
70 uniforms got him in sight. We'll stay clear of him.
Helicopter 7 uniform, roger, copy.
Alright, lights are out, gauges are green, plenty of fuel if we wanted.
Yep.
Police 10, Burbank Tower.
There's a little bit of space with these.
Greg, that 737 in sight also through the 70 uniform.
Helicopter 7 uniform, roger, thank you. Helicopter 626, contact SoCal.
Alright, start slowing us down,
Good day,
bringing us down.
Southwest 626.
This is going to take longer to slow down than 22, so over that collective, start slowing down quite a bit. Got a lot of airspeed we need to lead off. So come out like this, and we'll kind of come out like that. Good, that'll put us better into the wind. So keep on going, keep losing airspeed, keep losing altitude. There you go. A little bit of pedal as you change your collective
Police 10, Burbank Tower.
Go ahead.
Police 10, I called you about 4 times. I have traffic on the 10 mile final for runway 8. Additional traffic with the helicopters on base for runway 8.
We have the 8 traffic in sight. Sorry, we were on the other line. We were tied up on a call. We will stay south of the 8 center line. We're looking for the helicopter.
Police 10, roger. This is Boeing 737 now. 9 on my phone. 9 on my final.
Traffic in sight, please 10.
Cool. Continue to slow it down some.
2402,
Bring it down
we're right
some.
side, runway 15, clear for
And
takeoff.
you're cleared to
Clear
taxi.
takeoff
into
15, Southwest 2402.
Bring it a little slower, make it a little easier for you.
Please 10, we are complete. Direct to Coinga Pass. We got the 15
Left
traffic
pedal
on the
there.
roll site. We'll maintain visual.
Police 10 approved.
Little left pedal as you kind of turn into
Helicopter 54, echo traffic, about a mile and a half south of Hollywood Board, northbound out indicates 1100. Radar service terminated. Squawk 34, and chain approved.
5 Echo, thanks.
There you go.
Tower Southwest 1960, half mile from Buddy.
So 1960, Burbank Tower, runway 8, clear land.
Clear down runway 8, Southwest 1960.
Alright. Now you can follow that yellow line to our spot.
Okay, might need your help on the ramp here. It's a
Yeah, that's fine.
tight spot here.
Bring it a little slower, make it a little easier for yourself. Kind of divide the difference between everything. If you just creep along, it'd be nice. There you go. Then kind of shoot for the middle of the plane in the 22. There you go. No need to get any closer.
Nope.
I got him. Here
Okay.
we go. Alright.
Got your controls?
Yep, I got him.
Your controls.
So. There we go.
Tower 2402, contact SoCal departure. Good day.
SoCal South 2402, adios.
Very close. Alright, you got him.
got him.
Okay, and roll down.
Okay.
Awesome. So, that off.
Okay, collect down. Friction. Okay, so we wait 4 minutes for this one. There's no time.
Just 2 minutes.
Please stand, we are clear to the south, and thanks very much for the help.
Police 10, radar sir. Tell me squawk before for you change the We'll see it.
Please stand, get a...
Come on. I know you want to. There we go. Okay, can turn that off. Waiting down 2 minutes, 60 to 70%. Letting that off. Turn that off for now.
Easy play.
Yeah, that was good. That was good.
Yeah, radio calls are much easier now.
Yeah, I could see how it would have been slightly difficult without this thing, not having seen it before. But that was fine. Okay, that can go off. What'd you guys think? It's awesome, yeah. I would have been okay with you guys dropping me off at the beach. Yeah. Alright, so we're definitely cooling off. Go ahead and roll it into the detent.
Okay.
And then clutch. 30 seconds, 40 plus 30, 50, 60, so 2 minutes, 10,
okay.
10 seconds. There you go, go ahead and pull mixture. Cool, and let out a detent, ignition, alternator off. There we go.
Oh, okay.
No worries.